Hi, this is Aidan from Southwest Systems. Welcome, thanks for watching. We're just going to go through our zero waste cloud back office software setup, specifically for zero waste stores. This is tied in with our self-service software and hardware application that all customers purchase with us, and also we offer the integrated card payments. So we offer all three solutions from us from one package. So almost all zero waste customers come to us and usually go with us because we offer that level of service. Also, obviously, it's a high quality product, and the cloud back office software is basically very, very good. So I'm just going to go through some features. So home, I just press home in the top left. This is a dashboard. This runs through all the web-based sales in real time. So we've got finalized key, cash card, how much we've done, net sales here, cash in draw, credit card in draw, totals, discounts, transaction keys. We can move down here and see what department totals are. So we've got baking, pasta, grains, pulses, or here this is all done by quantity and by total. Hourly breakdown when we're most busy, and also we've got other things like last item sold. So you can bring up any transaction here at any point and see what was done in real time from the back office software. And these are the PLU sales we've done today. So we just sold some basmati, flour, sugar, light, soft, blueberries, cherries. We've got some coffee beans here. All these sort of products that zero waste stores sell. Stuff can be exported to PDF as well, which is great. So all the reports can be exported to PDF, Excel, CSV. Now if I actually move on to reports, all the reports here can be run by date range. So if you want to run a batch report, you can go submit, and this basically will run in real time the data here. So you can run any date range. All the reports are exportable to PDF, Excel, CSV. So again, this is net sales, cash in draw here, as well as other department reports and sales here. So staff reports, what each staff has taken, cash credit, any voids, cancels, no sales. So if you want to look at products reports, so you can see here without even me, if I actually go to all the reports here, you can see how many reports we've got. We have got absolutely loads. We've got department, we've got product, we've got financial, we've got staff, we've got customer, there's so many reports here. One of the in terms of zero waste stores and systems, our EPOS system is very comprehensive. So if you want to look at sort of product sales by department, so this is what has been sold. So you can see here we've sold macaroni here, quantity 1, value, profits, almonds here, baking, pulses. Now there's two basically setups we can do. We can either offer what's called price embedded, which is what this customer has, or we can offer weight embedded setup with the barcoding. You would specify to us which one you wanted. Weight embedded does give you the weight of the product, but requires more input from the back office software. Price embedded is more simpler to do, less maintenance, but we can offer both options. So if you want to know the weight of what you've sold of chickpeas with the scan codes here, we can do it. We can say it will, there was 3.560 grams, 3.3 kilos, so 560 grams of lentils. But at the moment this is set price embedded, and we're just looking at the quantity sold, so 1, 2, 3. It doesn't take into account of the weight. But we can do either option, and all you need to do is specify with us which option you want. So every department for all these items are totalized at the bottom here, so the value column here, and then we can obviously look at other information here. So if I wanted this report and say I wanted it in PDF, I just tick the PDF button, press submit, and then in a few moments time I can download the PDF version of it. So I can email that to my business partner or my accountant. The same for the financial reports. So again, if say I wanted this in CSV and I want to choose a date range, I want to go back to this date range. So again, the same report, you can obviously have it in Excel format, all itemized, and here we go here. So it's all just going to move the columns here. Okay, this random code is just about a barcode, so it's irrelevant, but this is what you want here, and obviously the value here as well, all itemized. So that's how easy it is. That is how easy the back office software is to use. Now in terms of products, you just go to products here and say you want to change a price. So you can just go into the price column, which is actually all the pricing, if you have it price embedded, is done on the self-service scale. But if you have it weight embedded, you would change it on the scale till back office software and on the scale back office software. So because we got it price embedded, I can't show you in terms of price changes, but that would be done on the scale back office software, which literally you can use the quick edit mode, change all the price per kilos. You could change 20 prices in, I don't know, 40 seconds, say to the scale, and then automatically when you start scanning from the self-service scale, those items will change, and those new price per kilos or price per 100 grams will change. If we wanted to change the name of stuff, we can just go here and add the name, key in the new stuff, and then move on to the next one. You just change the name there. If the barcode is different, you just change the barcode number here, just as long as they're individual. And this is linked to the grains, so if I wanted it in the pasta, you just change it to pasta. And it's 0 rated, so obviously all zero waste stuff is pretty much 0 rated, so 0%, but we can do obviously VAT at 20%. Now we can move on to clerks by pressing the clerk button. So clerks here will mean we can jump to staff and see what our staff doing. So if we want to add another staff member, so we got Lucy Jackson here, just change their name and also just change their PIN number here. Stock is a stock module. Now you only do stock with weight embedded, so I'm not going to go into that today. This customer is not using it, but that's what their negative values here. But stock we can do, but you have to have it weight embedded, because obviously you need to capture the weight to deduct it off the stock items. I would say 80% of or 85% of zero waste customers don't have the stock module. The reason being is it requires a lot of maintenance, and because zero waste stores tend to have sort of less than 200 products, or say 100 weighed products or 150 weighed products, it's very easy to account for visually what's less and what we've got left. So in terms of ordering, most customers don't do that. But if you want to do that, we can do orders. You can order, you can create a new order here and order stock. We can do reordering with suppliers. We can do wastage. We can do returns. We've got the supplier, adding a supplier information here. And there's various other things we can do. Obviously you get, once you do that, you then get into the stock reports, so you can look at the stock levels, you can look at product stock levels, you can look at ordering, what stock is on order, and then you can look at stock variance reports. So you can look, based on a stock take, you can look at the stock variance, and that will tell you. But like I said, most customers don't have that, but it's there if you need it with our systems. Programming, there's various things in here like the receipts, void reasons, you've got groups, departments. Obviously we'll show you how to add new departments or new groups. The sales button in here is the journal basically, so you can run through every single electronic transaction here throughout the day, and this can be blown up here into more detail. And if you did want to print this to A4 and email it to a customer, you can. It's all included at no extra cost. And that can be done by till or tills. And again, this is looking at the end of day Z reports here, so you can actually see the end of day, what was taken. So if you forgot to print it out on the till, it's on the back office software. Customer section is for our customer points loyalty software. That's an add-on, but we can offer that. Terminals, this tells you which terminals are online. So till 1 is last updated. It was last updated a few moments ago. So it's constantly talking, and green is good. I haven't done a Z read yet, that's why it's red, but when they do a Z read, that will go green. Thank you for listening. That's Southwest Systems Cloud Back Office software. As I've said, it's very comprehensive, very easy to use. I've just shown you there literally in 9 minutes how easy the software is. Please get a quote from us. We have done tens and tens of installs of this. We know what we're doing. We're very experienced. I've got a really good technical team as well behind us. So info@southwestsystemsuk.com. You can use the contact page on our website. Southwest Systems here, we've actually got a dedicated zero waste page here. So we are specialists in this. Obviously we've got Facebook, Instagram at Southwest Systems UK, and yeah, please contact us for a quote. Thank you for listening.